2018 Chevy Tahoe RST 6.2 liter V8 beast. Really beautiful truck. Oh, I love this the older body style than the new one, to be honest with you guys. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got the dreaded third cat everyone hates right there. Then what we did is put some Black Widow BW0010C center Black Widow race Venoms right there. Added a 3-inch pipe to connect it. Then reuse his tailpipe and put him a dual tip out the side because that's what he wanted. So we do what he wants. We always do what the customer wants, right there. As you guys can see, came out really pretty, really nice. He's gonna murder it out and put some police tires on. It's gonna look really good when it's done. And we're gonna shout out to the, you say it here. You say it, come on. The Mr. Wieners, man. The Mr. Wieners is a group he follows. If you guys get the joke, if you don't comment, then he'll comment what he means. Anyways, there it is. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. That sounds so good. It looks really good too, guys. Check that out, that's clean. Chevy Tahoe. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100, so it's perfect. It's not gonna drone too much. There's the muffler. There's the resonator and tailpipe we cut off. Right there, guys. Nice. Black Widow. We're gonna add our sticker on it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. Black Widow. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.